Hi everyone, welcome to Pop and Polish. I'm Shannon, and in this video we are doing strawberry glass nails, and I am so excited about these. I've been seeing these everywhere, all over TikTok. I'm starting to see them on YouTube because everyone is sick of winter and we're all getting ready for spring early, and strawberries are the vibe. I'm still a huge fan of the magnetic polishes, doing the cat eye, doing the glass effect. I love it all. One of the nails I want to try in a little bit is like doing similar to this but with lemons. I think I could make something really cool. Like I wonder if I could do it like glass and 3D. That's what I'm kind of picturing in my head. And I want to see if I can make it work. We'll see. So let's get into our strawberry glass nails. The very first thing you're going to do is use a magnetic gel polish as your first coat. I chose to use a pink and a red that will match the pink jelly coat that I'll eventually use. And then I do kind of the glass effect to all the nails. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not the best at magnetic polishes yet, but I am absolutely practicing and constantly doing it because I think it looks gorgeous. I do this quickly because I'm not very good at it, but ultimately the look turns out really well. Also, all the polishes I'm using today came off of Amazon. If you would like the link to anything, just let me know in the comments and I will put the link in the description, but it's a lot of work for people not being interested. So if you're interested in the products, let me know. This magnetic polish is from Beetles. It's from one of their spring collections, and honestly, every single one is just gorgeous. I'm really obsessed with this. Not sponsored, just obsessed. Honestly, I can't wait to do more nails using these. Look how beautiful that is. Gorgeous. So then I apply a really thin layer of pink jelly polish, and I do mean thin because I really want the glass effect to shine through. Then using a green polish, I'm going in and doing the top of the strawberry. What do we call that? Not leaves. The stemmy bits? I'm just gonna call it the green top. We're doing a green top on all the strawberry nails. If you think your green needs a second coat, don't do it yet. Save it because we will do a second coat later after we apply our matte top coat. And again, as always, I'm constantly cleaning up. If you are a DIYer, you know how important it is to constantly be cleaning up around your nails and not having any of the gel polish hit your skin or certainly not be cured. Again, we're all trying to avoid contact dermatitis. Look how cute these are. Ugh. Oh, they look so cute. So I totally forgot to film the part where I added the little white seeds, but that was just using a white gel polish and a really thin nail art brush, or you can use your gel liner brush, whichever, and just creating the seed look. After that, I applied a layer of Russian matte top coat. I've said this in many videos. Russian matte top coat is different from regular matte top coat. Russian matte top coat is what will help you do the isolated chrome, and we're doing isolated chrome here, and it won't stick to the matte top coat at all. So this is where I'm adding another layer of the green because I want something for the chrome to stick to. Then you're going to use green chrome to really do that chrome effect on the strawberry green parts. What do we call this? Leaves? No. Stem? I don't know. The green parts. So you're gonna go and chrome those green parts. And again, because I'm using the Russian matte top coat, honestly, I know it's not gonna stick to the other part. Look how clean. Look how clean that comes off. Gorgeous. Then I'm gonna go over top with a no wipe clear top coat and really finish off the look of the nails. This is my strawberry glass nails. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.